this in there too. Wow. That's the original sticker.
What's up, everybody? I'm over here at Go Fast Garage, and we just had a special visitor pull in. Let's come check out this car. So here we have a 1978 Mustang King Cobra Mustang 2, 100% original. 100%. Look at this.
She connected me with John Thor. It took him 8 months. He contacted every person he knows that had a King Cobra or has one,
Right.
and verified it.
Really?
So.
Get this in there too. Wow. That's the original sticker. $6,698.
Right this option?
$37.98.
That was the most expensive option on a Mustang since the Boss 429 package.
What? You see what John Clore from Ford Motor Company said? He said this is one of the best Survivor 2s in existence.
Get underneath it. It's clean underneath as it is on top. The only difference is it took me 2 years to find raised wide letter 13-inch tires.
Oh wow. These are the real raised letter tires. No tire stickers here.
Wow.
4-lug. Now another thing you might want to get in, which is really interesting, you were just showing me. Now you're familiar with brake ducts, correct?
Mm-hmm.
From the factory, metal pathway that goes all the way to the brakes in the front. Wow. Made all of 139 horsepower, and it's got brake ducts to back up about 400 or 500 wheel.
Man.
Yeah, with drum brakes in the back.
Yep, with drum brakes in the rear.
And every
That's
time it
insane.
sit for a long time when you first use it,
Yeah.
the brakes will lock up every now and then.
Yep.
What?
So.
The four-wheel is a four-wheel drum?
Did you see the AC?
No, it's front disc.
Front disc?
Front disc, rear drum. AC in a race car.
What?
Even though she's more of a classic.
AC
But
says 0 computers.
nope, it's as good as it gets right here.
And the only thing powered right now is right under the hood.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That's part of the light package.
Light package.
There's even
The light package.
It's got a light in the glove box and it's got a swivel map right on the roof.
Nice. Wow.
So instead of having one read, you have to swivel it.
Oh, you're about to. Well, I'll just go on with that.
You won't even know what it is.
What's up, buddy? That's the right answer.
Let's see if they'll move on the way and go to that.
How's it going so far? Same old.
Yeah, everyone's sick, so they called me in this morning.
Yeah, Jamie, I was getting a little worried. He was not doing too well yesterday. Take care, buddy. Oh yeah. No, absolutely not. This is a V60. Oh, cool. Yeah, you don't want to get these decals, man. You can pay with the original bag.
What?
Original bag for the T-tops.
Yeah, I even have to start construction with the glove box to go with the visor.
Really?
Yeah.
What? Starting instructions for the carburetor and the choke?
Yeah, how to pump it and all that. There's no
What?
choke stop.
Oh.
They tried to nick me on the shifter nut because it's wood tone, but that's what came with the car.
Really?
But it was funny. There's a guy that had a Kia, which was a luxury model in this car, the hardtop, and he had a fully restored. I mean, the guy's like 30 grand in this car, worth maybe 20 at best, right?
Wow.
So they gave him 100 points. Well, they come over to my car, it's a Survivor car.
Yeah.
Well, when you look underneath it, remember the Pintos were having problem with blowing up when people backed into the back of them?
Right.
And they installed a shield.
Yes.
If you look under this, this has that shield under it.
Does it?
Yes. They looked into that and went back and dinged him for the shield because he didn't have one. So this one caused him some misery.
Yeah, I see it.
Wow.
Cool.
age.
Oh,
Both sides
yeah.
have the same thing. Amber lights.
Very Volvo. You know the Volvo 240s, they have the panel lights on there?
And the rub strips are unique to the King Cobra because the orange and the striping match to the wheels. Ooh, what do you got to pull the bed out?
What? 1978. I don't know if you can get that, but it's right there. 1978.
He's trying to focus on it.
Is it focusing?
I think so.
No. Even the compressor says Motorcraft. That's so great.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is awesome.
That's crazy.
I think you'd appreciate this.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Yeah, not all cars have to be Hellcat.
No, I mean, you basically came out and gave me your whole collection today, which was awesome.
I used to have this.
Still, yeah, I don't understand it, but...
It actually had a little bit of a rumble in the steps.
Really?
It's quiet. But I had a Cobra too, along with this for a while. I went from Charles Angel. Pretty good for us.
You said 100. You said 135, 139 horsepower. Wow. Wow. Yeah.
I mean, even the graphics are all original. I mean,
It's literally. Yeah. Wow, without rubbing it off. Wow. He's about to drive it away.